Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. Okay. Also, can you see my screen? The presentation?
Yes, yes, we can.
Yes, you can. Okay, so let me just put it on presentation mode. Okay, so we've got these two brilliant businesses that we are a part of. And it was Rain B&B. I came in it in November and I was so impressed with that it is not a company that's going to go down because they showed us on blockchain that it hasn't got an owner. So in everything I've been through in the past, I was like, yay, this is it. I'm going to become financial free with this. And then I am going with it and I'm getting people involved. And then they told me about Ether Ocean. And when also told me about Ether Ocean, I had like, how am I going to give two businesses to people? And they are both so amazing because Rain B&B on the one side is Binance and the third largest coin, and the other one's Ethereum, the second largest coin. And I was baffled at first. Okay. And I said to you know what? Maybe I will show Ether Ocean to people that likes picture form. Because Rain B&B to me, Wilma, can you just I think you're not muted. It's not somebody's not somebody with a dog is not muted. Can you
Sorry, is it my
yeah,
doggy? Sorry.
okay.
I
Thank you, Wilma. Thank you. So yeah. So this was our dilemma. We've got two brilliant businesses, and now what are you going to present to people? Okay. So also had this beautiful, wonderful idea. Why not promote both businesses at the same time? And I thought, that doesn't sound, I don't understand what you're saying. But if you can multiply your earnings and maximize your potential, I know these are big words, but I wanted it to sink in, especially for people that understand businesses. Okay. I just wanted to show you if you intertwine the two together, okay? And then what if you can earn faster by combining the two platforms? Because we're already making money on the one platform and we're making money on the other platform. But what if you could leverage them both at the same time? Wouldn't it make life easier for you and more profitable? Well, I thought that was definitely a big plus. Now, on the one side, we've got Binance, which is Rain B&B. On the other side, we've got Ethereum, which is Ether Ocean, but they both come together in SafeBell. Okay. So doesn't it make sense to then promote them as a global potential for bigger earnings? So on the one hand, you got the 15 streams of Binance, and on the other side on Ether, you've got 15 levels as well. So what if you could tell people there's two streams of income that you can earn from 30 potential levels, and you tell them that, listen, it costs 190 Rand. So I'm gonna let Elsa talk more about this, but I just wanted to say that she was saying 80 Rand plus 110. And with Zaf saying, just make it 100 Rand more so you can go on the ocean on a higher level and earn much quicker. This is what we say. So I just want to show you in picture form how easy it is. That if you're already on Rain B&B, you don't need to open another wallet. All you do is you're going to choose another coin, which is ETH Optimism, and they both work through SafeBell. Okay, so I thought it was a brilliant idea. I'm going to stop sharing now, and I'm going to ask Elsa just to give us her input. There's the doggy again.
Hello, everyone. I trust that you are all doing well and wow, brilliant 31.
sorry, babe. I go in.
Okay, I've muted it. It's fine. Sorry, Elsa. Carry on.
It's okay. I'm just saying, wow, 31 people on the call. Well done, Helen. Well done, team. This is brilliant.
Yes.
That means we've got 31, 32, 33, including me and Helen, that's interested in driving this business exactly where it's meant to go. And what I said to everyone the other night was, we are so used to thinking small. And I absolutely love the idea of bringing people on board for 80 Rand. I mean, really, what's 80 Rand? Seriously. And that's why this business is moving so fast. And then when Ether happens, I was like, Ether Ocean, I was like, the same as Helen. Oh, goodness. But immediately I realized it's the same thing. And Prema actually explains this very well. She says it's like going to the gym. Today you exercise your arms and tomorrow you exercise your legs, but it's the same gym. And you must think like this as well. It's the same business opportunity. So I literally, from the second day, I switched my mind when I heard about Ether Ocean, and I said, okay, so I'm not going to go back to the old people and I'm telling them about Ether, obviously, but literally from the second day afterwards, when I switched my mind, I said, okay, let me just try this. Every single new person that I started to speak to, I said, my same story, I just changed the 80 to 190. And I realized, but actually, there's no difference. If you really look at this, I mean, people that's going to say no to the 190 are most probably the same people that's going to say no to 80 as well. So it's not the amount. The amount is still irrelevant. It's still small. I mean, people stop at a takeaways. They stop at the garage and they walk out of there with more. And then this weekend happened and they put another 100 Rand. And once again, my head was there where I thought, oh, Nia, now I have to put more. But that's why we say, I think absolutely combine your efforts. Brilliant presentation. It's making your pictures are making so much sense. Combine it. Stop asking people, do you want to join this for 80 Rand? Also, you want to get quality people in this business, eh? Remember that. You don't just want to, we're all had it, putting people in and then they do nothing. It's because they didn't really feel the 80 Rand. Okay, they're also not going to really feel the 190, but 190 already puts you at a level where you put in a little better quality. And now with the leader idea of adding an extra 100 Rand, why? So that because level 1 you earn, level 2 and 3 in Ether goes upwards. For people not building fast, then there's a gap and people start losing interest. Do you want your team to say no for 290 because, no, wait, let me rephrase. Do you not want to share 290 because you're afraid they say no? Or do you want to bring them in on the slower and they lose interest?
Makes sense, yeah.
Get your head around this. 290 is still under 300 Rand. Bring them in for 290 and they see results immediately. What happens when they see results? They start talking about it.
Definitely, yes. Now, I love what you say.
Don't say we've got 2 opportunities. So what do I say? I've got this amazing, brilliant business opportunity where you can earn an extra income. It's going to cost you 290 Rand, and we are going to invest your money or put your money into 2 of the 5 biggest crypto coins that's in existence. And I don't know if you knew, but there's over 1 million crypto coins out there. I didn't know it before.
I didn't.
No, other than what? So we are working in programs with 2 of the 5 biggest coins.
And that
what do you think?
And that's very real. I mean, it is on a smart contract that we can go check out on the blockchain. So you know it is ownership free. So it's going to be there for years and years in the future. Can somebody please just give us their thoughts? You can unmute yourself or put your hand up, and please, because I was super filled when I heard about this.
And I've really tested it out now for more than a week, and the resistance that I got was people that in any way would have said no to the 80 Rand as well. So if they didn't know about an 80 Rand option, it's 190, your choice, 190 or 290 option. Still go for, if you don't want to go for 290, go for 190, but don't just go for 80. You're going to,
Yes.
all of us are in Rain BNB as well. And if you give them a choice, either one of the two, you're going to do damage to because they're going to stop growing. And it's
That's
most probably going to be because
That
Ether
was our
shows
worry.
money.
Hi, Bree, do you want to say something? No, I think it's a little one that wants to say something. Charlotte, do you want to say something?
Yes, I think it's a brilliant idea, Ellen. And thanks, Elsa and Dylan. I think it will work 100%.
Good. Anybody else? If you don't agree, tell us. If you think it's a good idea, tell us. Because my biggest worry, like Elsa said, which one do you now give to people? And now it's not going to be a problem. Wilma, you've got a huge team. How do you feel your team will relate to this new idea? If your dog is not going to bark because he loves to bark when she talks, are you going to try and say something?
Sorry. Now put him in our room, sorry. Sorry. Oh, it's thunderstorm, so that's why they're going on crazy. I'm sorry about that, guys.
That's fine.
No, I already am trying to do that, and I think the people are budging for that. You
Right.
give them a choice, not even a choice. You give them this is the two options, and you've got two wallets. Because once you pull from the one wallet, the other one is still going, and that's what they are going for. So there will be
Fantastic.
constant payment every 6 months. That's what I'm promoting. That's how I'm getting my people now at the today actually starting actually what I did. So yeah,
Right.
it's gonna work perfect. It's gonna work perfect.
I like what you're saying. So if you're on both systems, you're going to be earning from both systems. Now, I know one of them I want in 6 months' time, but the other one I want only one in a year's time, and maybe another wallet
Correct,
for another
yes.
half in a year. Yeah, because I've got a bigger plan for that. So I like
Absolutely.
that idea.
Yes.
And
Because
the
I've
right
got both my teams from LPN.
Oh, carry
Yeah,
on.
I've got both my teams in. Now I'm just saying my team is from OPMB. They shift over to Ethereum Ocean because they're on both now. So that's why I'm promoting both at the
Perfect.
same time.
And
Perfect. So
remember,
you've
we can
already
multi-fold, eh? If you see if Ether is running away and you see you need some money at Rain just for that push to upgrade, you can also always transfer and then give Rain a little bit of a push. Put yourself in a higher position. Then Rain maybe be in a higher position, and now you need some push at Ether. So you can literally switch your money between the accounts to stay at the best possible position and to get to that daily bonuses sooner.
Yes. So now you need to learn how to swap between the wallets now, how to create your other wallets.
Helen,
Yes.
I tried that. I can't swap the two. The OPMB to Ethereum Ocean, I can't swap. They
You
say you
have
can't swap. The two can't swap.
also, must I first put it through to OP Ethereum before they can, or how do you do that? You can't do it.
Do you mean swap the money or swap the, what do you mean by swapping?
On
The money.
SafePal, say if you've got money in your OP BNB.
No. If I have money in my SafePal for OPMB in Ethereum Ocean, I want to swap like one little bit more than the other just to upgrade. I can't swap it for Ethereum for
You can't swap OP and B to Ethereum Optimism. Unfortunately not. So it will have to be transferred back to the Binance, swap it there to OP, bring it back to SafePal and swap it again. Unfortunately, they don't have the choice.
Okay.
But I mean, it's still a small, the fees to take it to
Very
Binance and back to
small.
SafeTel is minimal.
It's,
So, and once you learn the
it's minimal,
process
yes.
to do that, it's a 4 or 5 minute process and a little bit of nail biting because it might take some time to convert, and then you worry, did I do something wrong? But I mean, once
Yes,
you
yes.
learn that, it's really it's not taking a lot of money. It's taking 5 minutes of your time, but there's a way to swap between OPB and BN, and so we'll teach you that once you're there.
Yeah.
No problem.
No,
And also,
I'm fine with that already. I'm fine with that.
Great. Yeah,
again,
she's doing
also
well.
it's the same effort. I mean, getting 2 people is effort. I mean, let's not lie to each other. Yes, it sounds simple, but you all know finding 2 people is sometimes a challenge. So it's the same effort that you're doing for finding 2 people, but you're getting more than double the income because Ether Ocean pays you more than Rain BNB. So for the same effort of signing up 2 people, if you sign them up on both systems, it's still the same 2 people, but it's more than double the money.
Yes, yes, definitely. And what I also like between, like Wilma saying, if you want to move the money, I am on level 8 at the moment on my OPBNB. So I do have a little bit of money that I can play with. And I actually did do that. I took some money, but Elsa was very nice. I put my OPB in her wallet and she gave me some Ethereum. That's why I didn't really think of that. But yes, then you can move your money around. Anybody else wants to say anything, ask anything? You happy with the idea? You want me to unmute you? Just tell me
That
in the message. Wendy says it makes sense, it makes sense, and Amanda's asked me to put the volume on. Amanda's, will you be brave enough to say something? So now, he actually said that he's got so much on his plate. He didn't want to look. So I said, Amanda's, you got to get into this thing. Because you're going to see how it's going to go. You can't go wrong with the second biggest and the third, fourth biggest coin, cryptocurrency. And I have to tell you this, okay? When Elsa told me the first time that I must look at this, I said to Elsa, don't swear at me. I don't want to hear you. I don't want to look at what you are saying because I have been scammed too many times with crypto. That word you do not mention to me. And I am now number one on top of the crypto market because she said to me, go check out those 3 words, smart contract, blockchain, and fully decentralized. And I could never be more excited about anything in my whole life after all the businesses I've tried. David, do you want to say something?
Yes.
You can, please. You put your microphone. Yeah, there we can see you, yeah?
Can you hear me?
We can hear you, yes.
Yes. Okay, what you say, if I start my 2 coins with 190 bucks net, does that mean all the, what you also say, we can go higher, like 290, for example, net? Does it mean
yes.
all the people underneath me should do the same amount? If I start on 290,
Preferably, Darby, they should. People do what you do. People do what you tell them to do. So if someone says to you they really can't, but they want to start somewhere, let them then choose and say, this is the options. Do you want to grow slow? Do you want to grow medium? Or do you want to grow fast? And I promise you, if you really put these figures in front of them, they'd rather make a plan to put in the higher amount.
like 300 rand, for example, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
I'd rather make a plan because they still need to find 2 people. If they come in later, they need to find another 2 people maybe.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So if I start on the higher one, all the people underneath me should do the same.
Yes, because you're going to be able to show them the proof. You're going to be able to show them what's happening. That's why it's very important, everyone. And I see Amandus is also asking here the payment, what's the payments like? Do the effort to to educate yourself. Learning is earning. Do the effort to educate yourself at least on the payment plans. You don't have to know all the big words. But if you go to people with a plan and you know what you're talking about, if you invest in Airbnb for 80 Rand, this is what you're going to get. This is your effort. If you invest in Airbnb and Ether for 190, this is what you get. This is for your effort. If you invest in Airbnb and Ether for 290, this is so people do have choices. They must have the choices. But if you explain it properly and you understand it properly, I guarantee you 95% of the people are going to choose the higher plan. Because why? They want the bigger money.
The only most important thing is to tell them it's long term. Because I've got a lady now that was saying, oh, but when am I earning? I said, but the hotel video explains nicely to you that you cannot earn from the first floor if every single room is not filled. So when you send them that Excel sheet, be sure to send them the hotel video as well, so that they can understand they can only earn from a floor and a room that is fully occupied and upgraded. I just want to stress that. Yeah.
And if you start
Yeah, Darby?
Yeah. Say you start with 80 Rand, nee. Now you have to keep on with that. You can't go higher.
You can buy yourself into a higher level. What are we doing at Evolution? They've decided that's why the 110 started, was it's the enrollment plus the first upgrade to Homestead. That's why the fee is higher, not because the plan is more expensive. So the team realized that just by putting people one step higher will make a difference, and it is. I mean, I can see in my upgrades, it's definitely making a difference. So now they've realized after a week, if they come in with 2 upgrades, and already on level 3 or 4 after with a 200 Rand in, that's going to make a massive impact. And you can do the same with Airbnb. You can decide. I know the overseas teams, they all come in at like mentor level and director level. They come in at high levels. In South Africa, we believe in let's build our way there, but nothing stops you to put in a little bit more money, to upgrade a little bit faster, also to make sure that you stay ahead of your team, because that's also very important. You never ever know who is the system going to give you as a spillover. And I am a true testimony of that. I received spillovers from I don't even know where. I don't know who they are. And if there's a runner ending up in your leg and they pass you and their team passes you, you're going to lose out. So
on your bonuses.
You lose bonuses. If you do have extra money available and you feel comfortable, I'm not talking, don't put yourself into debt, never. If there's money lying around to upgrade yourself to the next level, even if it's just the next one, I've personally felt that it's a good thing, because people just suddenly come from nowhere and want to pass me. And then I'm like, no, you're not going to do that.
Can I just say one thing, Darby?
Yes.
Darby, everybody, please go check the channel on both OP, on the, let's call it Rain and Ocean. I've put videos on how to check how much money you need to upgrade next. Okay, a very easy way to go and check. So if you feel that you only need like 50 Rand to upgrade, why not fill it up with 50 Rand? If you got 150, fill it up with 150. I see Anissa unmuted herself. I've got 10 minutes left. Do you want to say something, Anisha? Not want to say anything. I'm muted by mistake. Okay, I'm going to mute that person. Okay. Anybody else want to ask before we are going to We'll talk until it cuts off. It's not because I'm rude, it's because I get 45 minutes. Who wants to ask another question? You okay, David?
Helen,
If there-
Yeah, Charlotte?
sorry, just look at the questions there in the
Oh, sorry.
yeah,
Thank
there's
you
some
very much.
question.
I'm already
Okay.
on a group at a lower amount. You ladies have a group whereby we can join at a higher level. I'm not leaving my original group. Just want to know if you have a higher level group. We are all working together. If you are in the other groups, Lorraine's group, doesn't matter whose group, we work together. My videos that I do is for everybody. It's not just for people that signed up underneath me. So you can go and check that. You can just go and ask you can ask to join in my group afterwards. I don't mind. But you can just go ask where you are in, where can you pay the extra money in for them to upgrade you. It is not a problem. You're welcome to join. Yes, you're welcome to join our WhatsApp. I've got no problem. I help anybody, everybody, anyway within the team. It really doesn't matter. Okay. Any other questions? I'm glad to hear you've got the group as well, Amandus. Very nice. Is that also for OPB and Rain? So now you're doing quite a lot of businesses as well. Nadine De Lange. Okay, Nadine. Thank you. You can WhatsApp me afterwards and I'll put you on our group. Not a worry. Anybody else? Who normally
If
asks
there's no questions and we have a minute or two, do you want me to very quickly touch on the differences between the income? Just very briefly.
We've got like a few minutes. Yeah. Do it until we cut off.
Okay,
Perfect.
because Amanda's asked this question specifically. So Rain B&B, you get 10% referral fee of the person you sign up, and every time they upgrade, you get 10%. For anyone else in your team that you didn't personally sign up, you get 1.5% every time that they upgrade. So that's a very good passive income. It doesn't sound like a lot, but believe me, when you move up in the ranks, it's making a difference. Then you also get a once-off upgrading fee depending on what level they fall. So if Helen is on my 7th level, I would earn, and if I signed her up, I would earn 10% every time that she upgrades of the upgrading level. But when she upgrades on level 7, I think it's something like 67% of her upgrading fee, but it's a once-off fee. All right? And in Ether, how it works is you get 90% when your person signs up on your first person on your level 1. Level 2 goes up to the person above you, 90%. Level 3 goes up to the person above that, 90%. So actually you skip level 2 and 3. You skip it, but obviously now you will get from your downline, when they sign up, you will get their level 2 or their level 3. So at a point, you're not going to really feel it. But it's 90% level 1, 2, and 3, although you only earn once from your personal. And then from level 4 onwards, it's 45% every time that they upgrade. If that person ends again, if Helen ends on my level 7, I would earn 45% every time that Helen upgrades. But when she upgrades at level 7, I will earn a double 45. So it's also 90%. Okay, so once in someone's life, you'll earn a double 45%. But that's the main difference between the two. So, yes, the 67 in the upgrading fee is way more than the 45 on this side. But if you take in consideration, it's 45% every time. Ether at the end of the day definitely will pay you more. But the two combined will pay you more.
Yeah. But then again, yeah, OPB&B, those daily bonuses you get from people upgrading all the time from your whole team, no matter how many were in your team. I like that as well. So yeah, there's a plus in both of them, and that's what's exciting about combining them. Because how do you choose? Francois, you want to ask something? Francois, can I ask something? Okay. So I don't think we got any more questions. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining, and thank you also for sharing this with us. We are super excited. Enjoy your evening further. Please share the recording afterwards. I'll definitely do that so you can share it with your people. Okay, somebody has unmuted themselves again. Okay, but never mind. I'm going to say good night. I'll do the recording and I'll share it with the doggy bark because the doggy just said hello to us. No problem. This is about getting the information that we wanted to bring over, and I think we did. Thank you very much, Elsa, for joining me. I appreciate it. And thank you, everybody. Have an awesome evening further.
May you be blessed in building both your platforms. And
Yes,
also,
everybody.
I'll
Okay,
get your
well.
sister as well.